it's a banger.
Make it record, nothing can go on without the lad in the yard.
I would have said Vybz Kartel sang no bad pan the double YFL rhythm. Anybody said that now no sense. Anybody said that no music. Them just a play it. Vybz Kartel sang bad pan the double YFL rhythm.
They be asking what I'm up to. Stacking paper as usual.
So 2025 was Masicka worst year since them start calling Mr. Consistent. 2025 him lose a clash. Him have a flop EP. Masicka start to be seen as a troll artist. Then bring up goat pan stage, the goat do upon him. All kind of madness go on in a 2025 with Masicka. Masicka is now like a gimmicks and a trolling artist. No longer the serious Mr. Consistent. With Masicka, I put out the first song for 2026. Can Masicka bounce back and now we see him as a serious artist again? And Vybz Kartel and the DJ Mac Riddim, it a trend on TikTok. So we are going to talk about how Vybz Kartel have more trends on TikTok, more than Alkaline, Masicka, Popcorn, all of the younger artists than him. Vybz Kartel as a veteran artist have more trend on TikTok, need to be studied. I'm DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Hey yo people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk. I am your host DJ Dreadbeard. And on the know it go, if I say nothing throughout the video where Real Talk, just type Real Talk in the comment section. Like the video if a Real Talk me I make, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you're new and you know it's a Real Talk me I make. So two things more on top about. Them I say yo Vybz Kartel song by the DJ Mac Riddim, it not sound good. And we are going to talk about Masicka. New song, Masicka claims say yo, I bear it's. And we are going to talk about if him can really bounce back from the losses where him took in a 2025. So I'm going to kick it off first with Vybz Kartel and the DJ Mac Riddim. So yo, the man put out a snippet and people are say yo, the song not sound good. Some people go as far as if say yo, it's trash. But the song they over TikTok a trend. You see the first snippet when he put out, it a trend, and then he go put out one next part when he must say yo, I will make the beat the one you hard, and the rhythm signature said them on the beat, it's a bang.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.
You see that? I hit around the place right now. So me I go talk about say yo, yeah, the haters them I go try find a way for nitpick, because I remember you know, all heap of people they on the rhythm, some people already hit on the rhythm, so we know say the talking point there I go forward up. We know say them I go say yo, the song no sound good or whatever, because the song out for a while and you hear songs on it where hit. You see me? But why Vybz Kartel song them always a trend? You don't notice say every song Vybz Kartel put out like somebody run with it on TikTok and then it catch. Remember you know there's one thing for you love the song personally and go do something on it on TikTok. But there's a next thing when it catch on and turn into a trend or a challenge. And we see it time and time again with Vybz Kartel. So what that mean? That means that the people them still a feel Vybz Kartel song. It means Vybz Kartel still a reach the people. It means that the people them still a interact with the songs them Vybz Kartel a do. Sometimes people even mix Vybz Kartel song with Afrobeat and you see it runway. Sometimes you see them dig up some old song with Vybz Kartel and it runway. But with Vybz Kartel, I know only one type of song I runway over TikTok. The song them we might do now in a 2025 and 2026, people are do challenge to them. So it's not like a one-off thing, or it's not like a nostalgia thing where them only find the old hits them. I know that I go on with Vybz Kartel now where them have dig up the old hits them and I react to it, you know. And I make challenge to it, you know. For example, sometimes the man will all find some little gimmick song. Cause remember gimmicks run TikTok, you know. So like one day them find a gimmick song with Elephant Man and it runway. Even the same Sean Stamp it scratch and it runway. And me have to commend Sean Stamp because after him find a little it scratch thing there, him never fall off after that. Him still around the place right now. Elephant Man never do that. So me said that for said this. 1 and 2 time people will find one song for you and it get way. Like Beenie Man. When them find Sim Simma with Beenie Man and you even see the Kardashian them until it even contribute to Beenie Man, Sim Simma get goal and thing. Yeah. Some 1.5 time, some once a year time them find some song for people. The older artists them and thing. That's not the case with Vybz Kartel, bro. Like every song the man have, somebody run with it and then it take off. You see me? That's the difference. Why we not see no song where Masicka put out, like nobody a trend to it. Remember, you know, a phone generation this, you know, bro. A phone tool, you know, the Spotify a phone tool, the TikTok, the Instagram a phone tool, YouTube a even phone tool too. The young people them tool. Why we not see una dominated over Vybz Kartel? Like show me a Masicka trend. Show me a popcorn trend. What is popcorn? This is what I mean. What is popcorn find one song where you walk with a pretty friend, walk with a pretty friend. Everybody in your crew pretty. That's what I mean. Like some 1 and 2 time people will find something and it just take off. But with Vybz Kartel, I like every song where the man put out, bro, it take off. Or somebody find a trend. Remember, you know, I said this little while now. You personally can love the song, you know, and love something I'm saying, you know. But when you put it out on your TikTok and you see other people are running with it until it reach over 1,000 people are running with it, then you know say it's a trend or it's a challenge. But probably when you want to do it and then you alone in your house do it and then nobody no see it like for follow it, then we know say it's not a trend. But when you see people want to follow it, it means say it's a trend. So tell me why you not see Popcorn, Masicka, Alkaline, why you not see them man they have more trends like when they put out song, why you not see it runway? Like how the Vybz Kartel song them a runway, cause if you check the song you know up on the DJ Riddim with Vybz Kartel, it gone over 1,000 people are react to it already. With a little part the way I say, yo, the beat is bad, what the beat say? Them me on the beat, it's a bang. I hit a run over TikTok right now, every scroll I scroll. I hit a say, them me on the beat, it's a bang. Like the man know how to play with the rhythm, that's the little part there. I hit a trend right now. And all along, people have hit song on it and the little part there when them say, them me on the beat, it's a bang, it never trend. And Vybz Kartel make the little part there trend. You see me, cause the man say, yo, who make the beat, the one you hard. Them me on the beats, it's a bang. You see me? Yo, the only artist that want me see we're close to Vybz Kartel for make trend like everything them do trend are Tommy Lee and Skilly Bang. Like everything Skilly Bang them do and Shensia too. Tommy Lee, Skilly Bang and Shensia and Valiant. Sorry, me can't left out Valiant. Cause remember say I no cap me there for cap, you know. Valiant, Shensia, Skilly Bang and Tommy Lee are them that the only artists I see. If them not do better, them are do close to a Vybz Kartel. I do like people react to them song and them song always done some trend over TikTok. But the rest of man them will say, yo, them a put out hits and around the game. Oh, we not see the tools them if make. Oh, we not see the tools them if prove say and a cap on a cap. Oh, we not see them tools that people are utilize them tools. Oh, we not see no trend on them platform there. Alright, so let me transition now. Masicka. Masicka been a say, yo, it's. Before when Masicka them do a some fest, Masicka was Mr. Consistent. Them say Masicka iteration are one of the best in a dancer. Like everything he put out, it no miss. Don't get it misconstrued with a it, you know, but it just no miss. It's a good song. So he put out it and he put out good song. That's what they mean when them say, yo, him a Mr. Consistent. Him not have a flop song. In a 2025, you know, you can count on one and how much song Masicka put out and how much of them flop. Him lose the war, them bring up good pan stage. Remember Masicka say, rich long time, in a chat and no boast. Now Masicka every day upon the internet I say him rich. We have him as a gimmicks artist, as a clown artist, as a troller. Masicka wasn't that guy, so can he bounce back or will he continue in 2026? So him go back on him words so people just not take Masicka too credible again. Masicka is not that serious artist where dancehall know him for where he just a hits him deal with a music, Masicka deal with a nothing else. He make him money and you see me? Yeah. He rich and not talk and him no brag and boast and show off. But I be that now Masicka do. Him lose the clash Ray. So can Masicka bounce back? This is him first song for 2026. Him say I be a hits. Him a go give the people him so. Question no more asks. Can Masicka bounce back? Because 2025 was Masicka worst year since them dub him as Mr. Consistent. Will Masicka continue and bring over the mishap and the worst year into 2026? Or will he bounce back and go back to the drawing board and just go back to its and reach and now post? Or Masicka are going to continue to be a trolling artist, a gimmicks artist, a prop artist, bring up more gold pan stage and rich, whole heap of ad-lib boy, rich. Yeah man, but people are right as someone cut it. In closing, will Masicka go back to being the artist we say rich long time, no brag and no boast, or will Masicka continue to be the bragging type and the boasting type and the trolling type in 2026? Give her more trolling more than music, and Vybz Kartel will continue to make trends on TikTok because Vybz Kartel is the person where most connected, where the people them feel most connected to as a dancehall artist. It means him still influential. That's why him have more trend than everybody else. And he's more relatable. That's the key word. Vybz Kartel still make relatable music where the fans them can relate to. So that's why I'm always a trend. Cause I never been. But yo people, if a real talk I make, drop a real talk comment in the comment section. Like the video if a real talk I make. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe if a real talk I make. You see me? And yo, the channel, it they like couple hours away from being monetized. So if you see the super thanks button, you know you can drop a super thanks. You see me? Yeah, support the channel. And watch you know, I not have to over promote the channel again. So what I'm going to do now is, you see the two video them on your screen, the one over your left hand side, the one over the left hand side, I have to continue the reasoning over DJ Dreadbeard. And the one on the right hand side is a video I do yesterday on the channel. Still fresh and it's still hot. So you have two options. And you can watch it, come back to the video and scroll to the end and watch the next video. You see me? Yeah, but support the two channel them. By now you must know say the reasoning upon the both channel them. Sometime I continue it. You see me? Yeah, but big up everybody. Like, comment and subscribe if a real talk me make. I am DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
This is Real Talk.